Hi, this is Vandita. I'm the founder of TIA, the Image Academy, which is based at Hiranandani Gardens, Powai. And here we have Shauryavardhan. Shauryavardhan is an IIT Mumbai graduate. He is also a first-generation entrepreneur who is heading a team of 20 technical trainers. Now what we have here is a small role play that we are going to be conducting between me and Shaurya to showcase you assertiveness skills, which is a part of behavior module which we conduct here at TIA, the Image Academy. Behavior is a module that we inculcate with appearance and communication. So these are the 3 points where we go into appearance, behavior and communication as a part of somebody's image. Now for Shaurya, I have a small situation where he needs to act assertively. The situation that is given to him is that Shaurya has lent a huge amount of money to his best friend, and he was given to understand that the money would be returned to him after 1 month. Now after 1 month, Shaurya did not hear anything from his friend. He decided to call him. He called him twice and there was no response from his friend. Now in terms of his friend's behavior, Shaurya went through some positive and negative thoughts. So from Shaurya, we are going to hear some of the negative thoughts on this particular situation and some positive thoughts on this particular situation. So Shaurya, can we have some of the negative thoughts and some of the positive thoughts here?
I would feel finishing up with my terms with him, since he has crossed the limit, time limit, which he promised.
Okay.
He breached my trust.
He breached your trust. Right. Okay.
Second negatively inclined thought would be, I would recollect what all past bad experiences we have had between us, and would judge him based upon them, and then again I might take a negative decision.
Right.
I would also think upon having a very hot argument with him.
A very hot, bad argument with him.
Yeah.
So that is, these are some of your negative thoughts that you're going to have. And what about the positive thoughts? What would you think about your friend?
Generally, he has been a friend of mine for a long time, so I would definitely give him more time.
You'll definitely give him more time. Then what's your other thought?
I used to consider him to be a gentleman, as he's a friend, and I would think maybe I would call him and remind him once again.
Okay, you would remind him once again, so that would be your third call to him probably.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
And maybe I can tell myself maybe that there must be something genuine he must have got stuck into.
Okay.
Because of which he's not able
to repay you back.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so based on your negative and positive thoughts, I have a few questions that we generally give to our clients when we are testing them on their assertiveness skills. Right? So based on the situation and based on your thoughts, my first question to you is, do you stop yourself from acting assertively because you think that the only outcome would be unpleasant, unsatisfactory or harmful? And in this case, he's your friend. So do you think you did not act upon aggressively, because you needed the money as well, because it might harm your friendship?
Yeah, actually I did take a step.
You did not take a step further, you did not. And do you think that that was rational, that you did not take a step further? Or do you think there were other alternative outcomes that you should have considered?
I had an inkling, we could have had sorted out by some other ways, but I did not try. Maybe
You did not try. Okay, now you did not try because you think that these exchanges would prove to be mentally demanding or emotionally exhausting for you?
Yeah, pretty much. I was aware of the communication turning out to be mentally challenging and exhausting.
Okay, because he's a friend of yours, and if there was an argument, it might bring some kind of an emotional trauma
right.
to the whole friendship, right? Now, do you think that that is a rational thought, or do you think that even as a friend you could have approached him in different ways and met up with that kind of a challenge?
Yeah, I have some idea. There could have been certain ways, but I did not walk through this thing.
So you basically had some good thoughts about the thing, and you actually put your event aside in which you needed the money, and you went ahead to actually save your friendship, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a general exercise that we do on assertiveness skills, and from whatever I have gauged of a little bit of interaction between Shaurya and me based on this particular exercise, I would consider Shaurya to be a medium assertive gentleman. We generally would like to recommend people who want to be successful to have an high assertiveness skill. So with Shaurya, you may need to work upon your assertiveness as well. And I do believe that in some circumstances, assertive behavior does require risk-taking from time to time, whether it is friendship or it is your business. And the skill is in learning to manage the consequences of that risk-taking in an assertive manner, right? So do you agree to this? Do you think that you will try to be a little bit more rational in terms of your thinking, which might lead to an assertive behavior?
Yeah, I'll definitely try upon enhancing my assertive skills and my assertion towards when some decision-making opportunities or maybe circumstances arise.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Shaurya. So this was a short role play which Shaurya has done very well, and this is a very powerful exercise that we do as part of our assertiveness skills, which is a small part of the behavior module that we cover for Image at TI, the Image Academy. This is Vandita signing off. Thank you.